How to buy Salamanca token. So this token came under the symbol of DON. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found in my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on about this token, go and check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the BITGET wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and from the top right corner, click here and select the BNB chain as a network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token at the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet. And now search for your token that you just added called DON. So after you find it, now click on it and now click on swap. Switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap to be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a DON token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.